What's up, yo? This is Father of Grom. You'll need some PVCu primer, some satin or gloss exterior paint. Remove what uPVC items you can. Wash down using a solution of sugar soap and water. Once the surfaces are clean and free from dirt and grease, dry well. Apply the PVCu primer with a paintbrush. You'll find this is slightly textured, so paint in the same direction. You will need only one coat. It is recommended to leave this primer dry for 4 hours before applying your paint. More permanent uPVC items such as cladding, soffits, fascias can be left and painted in place. As always, I used the Valspar exterior wood and metal satin paint. You'll find on the first application the primer underneath will show through. Don't worry, we'll be adding a second coat. Leave the first paint coat to dry for 4 hours. Then apply your second coat. And there we have it, looking fresh. Please remember to like and subscribe. And remember to paint all the things grey.